Hi guys, so I've not recorded from this vehicle. This would be my girlfriend's car. She decided to run into Walmart right now. Um, Man, I'm a little nervous. I actually did take a video, or partial video, of some money. It was supposed to go into the gold buying that I just did. I did not take a picture of the gold or a video of the gold because I'm like, whoo! But I do got a picture of it. I might put it on the end of this. I might not. I don't know. Might just put it as a tag or as the display picture. But here's the thing. It was 12 ounces and a quarter of gold. That's a lot of gold. Pure gold, too. It's coins. And I paid today $14,000. That's a lot. But the guy was happy. And I don't have the gold on me. I already dropped it off. And I'm hoping to get money back today on it. Today being, I forgot. I think today's Wednesday. But yeah, so that $14,000, y'all. But there were some really cool gold coins. 11 of them. 11 and a quarter coins. Sorry, I don't have pictures of them. But yeah, I'll put in the description what they are, and you could look them up on Google if you want. I mean, a gold coin is a gold coin, right? But anyway, did the picture of that, and my girlfriend's about to come back in the car. She doesn't like being on video sometimes. Come on. So, yeah, I got that done, and that was a big purchase. And then the other thing, me and my girlfriend, we were at the beach, as you guys saw in another video, and I think we're going to be doing that again soon. I'm starting to get a little burned out. I need to take a little bit of time off from trucking. So I'm probably going to take a couple days off. This month, it will be this month. I'm not sure exactly when yet, but it will be soon. Yeah, so 14,000. Anyway, if any of you guys are looking to sell, gold coins or silver, I promise I will give you guys the best price I can. As you guys can look up gold prices of today. I'll upload this video today because I forgot what today is, or what day of the month. I don't have my watch on. I paid $14,000 for it for 12 ounces and a quarter of an ounce. So, yeah, not quite a pound, but pretty darn close to a pound of gold. Anyway, so yeah, if you have some gold coins or silver, I'd definitely be interested in, taking a look at it and, buying off of you. Yeah, that's going to be that. Oh, and so we went to Eagle Pass, and we came back with something else. We didn't just drop stuff off. You'll see that probably in the next video. So I don't want to do like a TV drama show, but I guess you're gonna have to sit tight and watch the next video to see what we came back with. It's a mess, I'll tell you that. It's a mess. Anyway, I'm gonna get going. I'll talk to y'all later. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. And I am working on some new content, possibly. I'll say this. Might be going to Phoenix. You might have to figure out what's in Phoenix. But we might be going to Phoenix. So, anyway, take care. Have a good one. See you guys on the next video.